The tractor cab is the mission control of the entire farming operation. Worn out and outdated tractor cabs lead to annoying discomfort, hindered productivity, dangerous sound levels, and lower resale value. This is why you need to revive your tractor cab with Fehr Cab Interiors. Fehr Cab Interiors was born in the summer of '88 in the basement of Ron and Norma Fehr as an on-the-farm tractor cab restoration service. As demand increased, however, we began building kits to ship directly to farmers to install themselves, and we've been growing ever since. Today, we use our vast facility in the cornfields of Illinois to manufacture high-quality custom tractor upholstery for over 750 models from the 1960s all the way through to the 2010s. Our team of product engineers carefully design each new part, emphasizing product fit and ease of installation for anyone to install. We offer acoustical foam panels, ProForm plastic panels, headliners, floor mats, door and window seals, seats, and much more. Our trusted team of cab interior experts finish all the sewing, laminating, contouring, and thermoforming in-house for fast, easy, and proper installation. While our state-of-the-art production methods such as CNC plastic cutting, automated robots, auto foam cutting, and precise parts finishing ensure quality-made panels that conform to your tractor perfectly. While determined to make the best products possible, we are always studying new ways to enhance their longevity. We carefully monitor lamination quality, use premium-grade foam, and utilize the highest standards of raw materials when manufacturing. We strive to make our products outlast the original interior lifespan. With our massive inventory and delivery trucks that pick up daily, logistics are a snap, giving you a head start on your fresh cab feel. Additionally, here at Fehr Cab, we have phenomenal customer service. Our call center is manned not by robot answering machines, but real, experienced, and knowledgeable people who will provide you with installation tips, product details, and help with any questions you may have before or after the sale. But don't just take our word for all this. See what people are saying on fehrcab.com and Google Reviews, where we've earned over 2,000 five-star reviews. Make your time in the cab more productive, comfortable, and convenient than ever before.
When the time comes to fix up your aging tractor interior, try out the cab interior experts at Fehr Cab. Visit us at fehrcab.com or give us a call at 815-692-3355.